Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel More Chess Videos, and I am Pramod Raj More. Today we are going to see one very interesting trap in the Royal LePage opening. This one is called the fishing pole trap. The game starts with e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5 is the Royal LePage move. Here normally black replies a6 and white goes for bishop a4. This is the main line, but today we are going to see the exchange variation where white plays bishop into c6. Now black replies with d into e5, which is opening the line of the bishop as well as the queen. And here normally white doesn't take the pawn here, which is getting free, because if he takes the pawn knight into e5, then black can not only regain the pawn with queen d4, but he will have a better position also, because white will be losing the castling. Like example, knight f3, queen into e4, and now white will have to forego the castling. So that is why white doesn't take the pawn on e5. Here white can go for castling. After castling, black replies with bishop g4, and this is a pin over the knight. And here actually white is tempted to play h3 here. This is normally played by most of the players. Here black replies with a very interesting piece sacrifice with h5. And if white takes the bishop, then he is going to end into a slight trouble, and this may end up into checkmate also if white continues its mistakes. H into g4, but this will end up the game with a very good attack for black. After h into g4, suppose white takes this knight into e5, another pawn, then he is going to lose the game. You can see the queen on h4 is coming, and now black is threatening checkmate on h2 and h1. And here if white plays f3 to make an escape route for the king, then black simply replies with g3 move, and you can see again black is threatening checkmate on h2 and h1. Suppose rook e1, then queen h1 is a checkmate. On the move 6th, after h5, white can simply avoid the trap itself by just playing d3. And suppose black plays queen f6, putting pressure on the knight on f3, then he can go for knight bd2. After bishop d6, c3, knight e7. Here the game is almost equal. White can go ahead with rook e1 and queen c3 or c2 or queen b3, and the game continues without the trap. There is no problem for both white and black. Here white is okay. On the 8th move, knight into e5 was a mistake, which allows black to play queen h4 and continue the attack. White can escape from the trap here by playing the move d3 and not going for knight into e5. After this, black gets the knight, g into f3, queen into f3, queen h4, and now the threat is again of the checkmate on h1 and h2. White can simply play queen h3, and after queen into h3, g into h3, rook into h3, king g2. Here black has gained one pawn here, but that one is not so significant because black has a double pawn here. So this endgame is not totally winning for black. White can still hope to continue the game, and this endgame is you can say almost equal, not winning for black. Okay, this was the Royal LePage fishing pole trap. I hope you like the video. Then you can press the like button and do share, subscribe to my channel, and do press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update in my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.